Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of applying for a job on Indeed. Whether you're a seasoned job seeker or looking for your first opportunity, this guide will help you navigate the application process effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. Create an account on Indeed. Go to the Indeed website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Select Create Account to set up your profile. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Fill in the necessary information, including your name, email, and password. Step 2. Build your resume. After creating your account, you will be prompted to upload your resume. If you don't have a resume prepared, you can use the Indeed Resume Builder, which allows you to create one quickly. Ensure your resume highlights your skills, experience, and education relevant to the jobs you are targeting. Step 3. Search for jobs. Use the search bar on the Indeed homepage to enter job titles, keywords, or company names. You can also specify your location to find jobs near you. After entering your search criteria, click on the Find Jobs button to see available listings. Step 4. Filter your results. Once you have your job listings, use the filters on the left side of the page to narrow down your search. You can filter results by salary estimate, job type, company, and more. This will help you find positions that best match your preferences. Step 5. Review job listings. Click on job titles to read the full descriptions, including responsibilities, qualifications, and company information. Pay attention to the application instructions provided in each listing to ensure you meet all requirements. Step 6. Apply for the job. When you find a job that interests you, click the Apply Now button. Depending on the employer's preferences, you might be directed to apply through Indeed or be redirected to the company's website. Follow the application instructions carefully, which may include submitting your resume, cover letter, and answering any relevant questions. Step 7. Track your applications. After applying, you can track the status of your applications through your Indeed account. It's a good idea to keep records of the jobs you've applied to, along with any follow-up actions you may need to take. Step 8. Prepare for interviews. If your application leads to an interview, make sure to research the company and practice common interview questions. Being well prepared will give you a better chance of securing the job. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you successfully apply for jobs on Indeed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.